Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to POCO F7 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on Xiaomi, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose Receive button. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!